In this tutorial, we will learn how to use WebSnip in NotebookOS to capture images from web pages or browser-based PDFs and save them into NotebookLM as sources. When you are browsing the web, reading an article, reviewing a report, or studying a PDF inside your browser, you may come across an image, diagram, chart, table, or visual explanation that you want to keep for later. That is where WebSnip is useful. First, click the NotebookOS Chrome extension icon. A side panel will appear directly inside the current web page. Inside the side panel, choose the NotebookLM notebook where you want to save the image. This selected notebook will be the destination for your captured source. Now, click the WebSnip button. NotebookOS will let you capture the image or visual area you want from the current web page. This can be an image from a website, a figure from an online article, or even a diagram inside a PDF opened in your browser. After capturing the image, you can save it into the selected NotebookLM notebook as a separate source. You can also use the copy button if you want to copy the captured image and paste it somewhere else, such as a document, slide deck, chat, or note-taking app. The goal is simple. Whenever you find visual information that is worth keeping, WebSnip helps you capture it quickly and turn it into a reusable NotebookLM source. Instead of losing useful images while browsing, you can collect them directly into the notebook where your learning, research, or project work is already happening.